condition cooker. Akong piyan.
Ito na.
Kira, akong hinapay.
Na, kina.
Okay. Cut out pa na. Action.
Action.
Na si Daddy Boy. Starring ako si Daddy Boy.
Sige lang.
Yun yung i-focus dito ko na Daddy Boy ha. Okay.
Okay, wait lang.
Akong piyan ha, bantay.
Okay.
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 Okay guys. Sabi, take two.
Go.
I-focus din. Okay guys, welcome to Daddy Boy's Dragon Fruit Farm Part 2. Okay, so we will introduce you to our owner, our farmer, our gardener, Daddy Boy! Tadam! Daddy Boy! Smile!
Wave.
Oh, muna siya si Daddy Boy, ang tagiya dere. Muna siya nananong dere. So, we started, si Daddy Boy, he started planting dragon fruit in 2016. So, katong pag-start niya, gagmay pa daw, isa pa daw kadangaw. 3 years after, so 3 years na today, tingnan niyo naman, ang dami-dami na friends, tagas na kasangatanan. So, nag-start na mi og harvest, amo na pong gitilawan, tamis kayo siya, take note. And we still have how many? 85 ka buok punuan or expected na fruit. So guys, we are inviting you to come here and for free taste. Basta willing mo mukat-kat og bukid og willing mo nga magpaaw-aw sa mga iro. Tulo ka buk ni iro namo diri guys, pero kung makapasar mo sila, makalampas mo, sus lami kayo ang mga ilawan nga dragon fruits. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. Part 2 of this video is that we're gonna show you how to cut the dragon fruit so that we can be ready to eat it. Okay, so on a flat surface here in the bukid, we have this stone. It's a rock, okay? So, ready? Okay, careful. Oh my gosh. Are you excited? My gosh.
Wow.
Wow!
Sulay, taste. Kaon din.
Ikaw magpababang.
Ito din pagpanit.
Okay.
Saan pagpanit?
So naman siya, mama.
Diyan na. Okay. Hindi din paniti. Diyan hawiri. Marimog ang yan. What happened?
Tagamayan pa nato. Ha?
A few moments later.
So as you can see, it's now sliced. So we are ready to eat. Here with me is Tita Alin. Oh, naguna na siya. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Lami ka siya. Adi kayo. Lami, Tita?
Lami, oy.
Oh. Come guys. Halina mo diri. So I'm inviting everyone to come to Daddy Boy's Dragon Fruit Farm and taste for yourself for free. Come.
For free, good.
For free for the meantime. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel, guys. Bye.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so here's the cast of the video behind Daddy Boy's Dragon Fruit Farm. Yay! Tita Alin! Yay! Puper! Yahoo! Yay! Fetch! Laoy! And Kyarts! Okay, thank you guys for the support. Thank you.